मयूर किंबहुनी ज्युनियर क्लास. चिन्मय कोळे इन्व्हेस्टर.
नमस्ते सर, स्मिता तांबे अकाउंट असिस्टंट.
नमस्ते, पौर्णिमा घारे जूनियर क्लास.
Myself, Mawta Begum, accounts assistant.
अश्विनी नातू कॅशियर.
नमस्ते सर, रितू माळे ज्युनियर क्लर्क. रितू माळे ज्युनियर क्लर्क. वर्षा सहस्र बुद्धे ज्युनियर क्लर्क, सेल्फ फायनान्स कोर्स. माधुरी वेगळे ज्युनियर क्लर्क फ्रॉम सेल्फ फायनान्स कोर्सेस.
श्वेता उदय जाते सिपाई.
विजय पाटोळे सेल्फ फायनान्स सेविंग.
भोये अनिल सेल्फ फायनान्स पिऊन.
Myself, Jeevan Chirsagar, work as a PO. अभिजित जाधव,
संतोष बोले सर फाइनल पे
काळे सेल्फ फायनान्स पिऊन.
Self finance.
Everybody has come.
no.
Library staff.
सूर्यकांत भोगेश्वर सोनकांत ग्रंथालय परिचय.
His library attendant. His name is Mr. Sonkamble. Yes. Next.
गणेश रामचंद्र येनामके लायब्ररी अटेंडंट.
आकाश पवार, ऑफिस बॉय. विघ्नेश दमकर, ऑफिस बॉय.
सुरेश रास्कर लाइब्रेरी अटेंडेंट.
खाडे राजकुमार लायब्ररी अटेंडंट.
भूपेंद्र प्रवीण दालवाले लाइब्रेरी अटेंडेंट.
राजा ऋतु श्रीमकर लायब्ररी अटेंडंट.
जितेंद्र ठाकूर लायब्ररी अटेंडंट. महेश
श्रीनिवास मंचाल लायब्ररी अटेंडंट.
क्लास ये हिंदी समझ जाएंगे आप?
Yes, sir.
हिंदी में कोई दिक्कत नहीं. तो साथियों किस लिए है आपको पता ही है. हम विश्वविद्यालय अनुदान आयोग के जो प्रत्यायन परिषद है उससे हम और हमारा उद्देश्य कोई हम इस पर नहीं है कि इनकम टैक्स का छापा मारने आए हों या कोई बात. हम बेटरमेंट के लिए है और आपका सारा स्टाफ है. हम सुनना चाहते हैं स्टाफ से, क्योंकि स्टाफ भी एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. हम उच्च शिक्षा की बात करें तो लड़का, शिक्षक, नॉन टीचिंग आपका बहुत बड़ा रोल है. आपके रोल के बिना उच्च शिक्षा का भविष्य अंधकार है. आप जब तक संतुष्ट नहीं है सिस्टम से या आप में किसी प्रकार की कोई आपको लगता है कमी है तो फिर सिस्टम ही नहीं सुधर सकता. तो हम इसलिए आए कुछ आप सुझाव दें जिससे कि इसमें
My dear friends, the sun sets in the evening today with the promise that it will rise again tomorrow. Here's hoping that the day comes to close with the promise that there will be a better evening tomorrow. So, a very good evening to one and all present over here. How different is this evening? Dear audience, you will yourself discover as the color of cultural feast unfold. Well, my first and foremost duty on behalf of entire committee of Garwari College of Commerce, I welcome each one of you to a cultural event program, Avishkar, in honor of NAGPUR team members. Well, I'm very much sure that every one of you are very eager to watch a rainbow of cultural event program, Avishkar. So without any delay, let us start our program tonight. Bhagwan, God, Allah. Call with any name. There is only one supreme power who answers. As it is rightly said, Sabka Malik Ek. Bas ek tadap, a deep desire to touch the hands of unconditional love and protection. You think, and it happens. Let's seek, let's uncover. Bharatnatyam and Kathak. Bharatnatyam, my dear friends, is a dance form of South India. Its origin was Tamil Nadu, and so the dance has a touch of classical Tamil Nadu music and song. And well, speaking about Kathak, Kathak is a dance form of North India and was developed by the Nomades who were known as Kathak. So presenting us the fusion of Kathak and Bharatnatyam, we now call upon some of our students on the stage to perform their glimpse of Kathak and Bharatnatyam.
Dani dim, tadare dani dim, tana dere na dim, tadare dani dim, tadare dani dim, tana dere na. O dani der der tani, tana dere na. O dani der der tani, tana dere na. Dim, tadare dani dim, tadare dani. Dani dim, tadare dani dim, tana dere na.
Incredible. That was just so beautiful. I think they have truly spread the beautiful vibes this evening, creating a state of entrance with a magnetic performance. I think their act has justified their power. Well, moving ahead, we shall now have Jugalbandi. A Jugalbandi is a performance in Indian classical music, especially the Hindustani classical music that features a duet of two solo musicians. The word Jugalbandi literally means entwined twins. And today, on this special occasion, Garwari College of Commerce is very proud to present a Jugalbandi of tabla and sitar presented by our able students. So here we go. How captivating it was. It was indeed very wonderful, isn't it? Well, my dear audience, now hold on your breath for another dance performance, that is Bhangra dance. Bhangra is a traditional dance form of Punjabi which is very spectacular. This is one of the strongest and energetic dance form. The style of Punjabi dancers ranges from very high energy to slow and then reversed. So my dear audience, please welcome our Punjabi dancers with the energetic dance song Nagada.
रंग पुरे दी रंग रंगीली
Whoa, that was a rocking performance by our students. I still feel like lost in those music beats. Well, moving ahead, music. Music, my dear audience, is the strongest form of magic. It takes all the pain and turns it into something very beautiful, into something that people connect to. And that's what good music does. It speaks to you, it changes you. Where word fails, music begins. We shall now have music. So for presenting this, I now call upon a group of students for performing their instrumental fusion. Wow. Hasn't something deep set its subsequent thought just said hello? Well, anyways, the performance was very beautiful. Moving ahead, we shall now have Gondhad. Vaghya Murali, dance form, Vaghya and Murali is a kind of folk performance performing worship. Dressed in a distinctive attire, the Murali is seen dancing in a particular style, accompanied by two Vaghya, one with tunturn, a string instrument, and other one with khanjni. This again, my dear audience, is one of the authentic Maharashtrian folk dance performance. So to present this, we have our students on the stage performing their dance style on Murali.
चैती चांदण माथ्यावरती कळस सोन्याचा चैती चांदण माथ्यावरती कळस सोन्याचा चैती चांदण माथ्यावरती कळस सोन्याचा वाजत गाजत घेऊन आलो निवद मानाचा आईला निवद मानाचा उदो उदो आईचा माझ्या अंबाबाईचा उदो उदो आईचा माझ्या अंबाबाईचा हळदी कुकन भरल्या बाटा डोंगर घाटाच्या हळदी कुकन भरल्या बाटा डोंगर घाटाच्या हिरवा चुडा हा भरला हाती मळोट मोत्याचा हिरवा चुडा हा भरला हाती मळोट मोत्याचा आईचा मळोट मोत्याचा चैती चांदण माथ्यावरती कळस सोन्याचा वाजत गाजत घेऊन आलो निवद मानाचा आईला निवद मानाचा उदो उदो आईचा माझ्या अंबाबाईचा उदो उदो आईचा माझ्या अंबाबाईचा
Wow, incredible. The young dancers really held everyone captive. Well, my dear friends, we are indeed delighted to be in the Garhware College of Commerce as Garhware is celebrating its 50th Golden Jubilee year. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the teachers, students, and the staff of Garhware and all those who have contributed in promoting excellence in the educational standards during the last 50 years. The college has indeed created many teachers, professors, and distinguished personality. Generation of good hopers have borne witness to this with their outstanding achievements. Teachers and parents are proud of them not only because of the excellent academic results, but also because of the talent in sports and arts. Such a brilliant record owes much to the able leadership of college management and the hard work of teachers. Garhware has fondly developed within 50 years. So once again, congratulations to all. It may also interest you to note that Maharashtra Education Society is one of the oldest private education institutions in Pune. It was founded by the revolutionary late Vasudev Balwant Phadke, late Shri Vaman Prabhakar Bhave, late Shri Lakshman Narhar Indapurkar in 1860 to impact education to inculcate nationalist spirit among the students. At present, MES runs 50 constitute units including pre-primary, primary and secondary schools, colleges, management, military schools for girl, vocational training institution. To show this journey of MES of more than 150 years, our students are going to present a very unique act. Hope every one of you like it, so here we go. My dear audience, just ask a universe for help and we see wonders. That is what we called a miracle. I think they did a fantastic work. Their act has justified their hard work. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears. We dance for madness, we dance for fear. We dance for hopes, we dance for creams. We are the dancers, we create our dreams. Dance is a form of art. Dance is something to express, not to impress. Well, my dear audience, do you all feel some turbulence around here? Yes, there is. The heartbeats have gone up, and everyone is so eager to seek into the depth of music, lights, joy. So, here we go. Now we have Rajasthani dance. Rajasthan is a place in India which is highly rich in culture. And one thing which makes this culture even richer is its dance form. This Rajasthani dance form is a highly interesting dance form. Rajasthani dance is now coming out of a shell and is gaining popularity in whole of the world. The colorful ghagra with beautifully dressed up is the apex of it. Dance isn't something that can be explained in words. It has to be dance, isn't it? So without wasting much of your time, I now call upon some of our students on the stage to perform their Rajasthani dance on the song Rangilo Maro Dholna. So here we go. Beautiful dance. Our students perform so energetically. My dear audience, patriotism. Patriotism inspires a patriotic to rise and revolt and fight for the freedom of his country. Many patriotics fought against British rule to secure freedom for India. Indian Army soldiers, the backbone of India, are one of the best army in the world. soldiers never hesitate to sacrifice their comfort, happiness, and life for the cause of their motherland. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic worlds, into that heaven of freedom, my father lets my country awake, says Ravindranath Tagore. So now our students are going to perform a breathtaking act on patriotism.
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम
जिंदगी सवार दो एक नई बहार दो
संदेशे आते हैं
प्यारा सा चमत्कार हूँ
जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब
Wake up.
यही रास्ता है तेरा तूने अब जाना है हाँ यही सपना है तेरा तूने पहचाना है तुझे अब ये दिखाना है रोके तुझको आंधियां क्या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा
नमस्कार। आज के मुख्य समाचार कुछ इस प्रकार है। पठानकोट पंजाब में आतंकवादियों ने जंग छेड़ दी है। सारे बीएसएफ जवानों की छुट्टियां रद्द की गई है। जवानों को जल्द से जल्द अपने बेस कैंप पहुंच जाने का आदेश दिया गया है।
प्यारा देश हमारा है, हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
माँ, बाऊजी, बहना और ईशा, अगर आप ये चिट्ठी पढ़ रहे हो तो इसका मतलब है कि मैं फिर कभी घर नहीं आ सकूंगा। माफ करना माँ, मैं इस छुट्टियों में घर नहीं ठहर सका, लेकिन क्या करूं, मेरा देश मुझे बुला रहा था। तुम्हारा बेटा इस देश के लिए शहीद हो गया। अब रोना नहीं माँ, तुम्हें तो गर्व होना चाहिए। बाऊजी, आपका देश सेवा का सपना मैं थोड़ा ही सही लेकिन पूरा कर सका। काश और कुछ दिन मैं अपनी भारत माता की सेवा कर पाता। अब तुम्हारी गोद में मैं सो ना सकूंगा माँ, बाऊजी का कष्ट कम नहीं कर पाऊंगा। मेरी प्यारी बहना, अब रक्षाबंधन को मेरी राह मत देखना, आंखों से पानी बहाना नहीं। तुझे तेरे भाई पे गर्व महसूस होगा। तुझे मेरी वजह से शर्मिंदगी ना महसूस होने का वादा मैंने पूरा किया है। मेरी प्यारी पत्नी ईशा, हमारी शादी को कुछ महीने ही हो गए थे कि मैं तुम्हें अकेला छोड़ के चल बसा। मैं बेवफा नहीं हूं, पर तुम्हें दिया हुआ वादा निभा न सका। हमारे होने वाले बच्चे को खूब पढ़ाना और उसे यह हमेशा याद दिलाना कि उसके पापा उससे कितना प्यार करते हैं। अपने देश के लिए मैं शहीद हुआ हूं। अगर कोई अगला जन्म है तो मैं फिर से इसी देश में जन्म लेना चाहूंगा, ताकि अपने भारत माता की फिर से सेवा कर सकूं, फिर से मर मिट सकूं, फिर से आप लोगों से मिल सकूं। अलविदा माँ, बाऊजी, बहना, ईशा, आपका एक सच्चा हिंदुस्तानी।
That was really a breathtaking performance. My dear audience, let's take a decision to value our nation. Don't forget those sacrifices who gave us freedom. Now it's our turn to have reformation. No nation is perfect, my dear audience. It has to be made perfect. Well, if the fear of the Lord is a beginning of wisdom, then love of God is the apex of it. The beginning is where the end gets born. When you reach the end of what you should know, you will be at the beginning of what you should sense. Now, this is not the end. This is not even in the beginning of the end, but perhaps it is the end of the beginning. You don't have to let it linger within the palm of your hands. The tips is already in your finger. All beginning comes to an end. So last but not the least, we have a last performance which will be our showstopper for tonight. Now I call upon a group of talented singers of our college to present the famous song Mauli Mauli. The song, my dear audience, is again a deep-hearted prayer song in presence of Lord Vitthal, Vithoba, as he is known fondly in Maharashtra. Vithoba is a god of all. All famous saints of Maharashtra like Sant Gyaneshwar, Sant Tukaram, Sant Nyandev were the devotees of Vithoba. They started a procession famously known as Vari, Pandharachi Vari, where after work of farming is over, people start working in the procession towards Pandharpur to meet their beloved god Vithoba. This Vari is going on for more than 600 to 700 years. Now Vari is getting global coverage. So we now present a song Mauli as a tribute to Vithoba or Panduranga. So here we go.
ते झालं. टाकळे टाकळे